Hello everybody. Finally found a day that I could go trout fishing. It's just after a rain and I'm going to be throwing night crawlers. Well, this creek is beautiful, but I made a critical error. I left my net at home. So if I ever do get a decent sized fish, I might be in trouble. Right now, this section is a little bit quicker than I like to be throwing worms, so I'm throwing my spinner. It's a Indiana bladed spinner. Thing works wonders. I do really well with this style on pike, but brown trout and pike pretty much fill the same niche. We'll see what happens. This water is freezing cold. I see some little trout zipping around by my feet too. We found us a beaver dam. It's a baby beaver. That is pretty cool. He's a little bit scared of me, but he's right in there. There he is, look at that. Look at that. That is nuts. Oh my gosh. Oh, big brown. Big brown. Not very good at feeding, it seems like. Here we go. First fish of the day. Finally. It's a little wild rainbow. Perfect. I've been fishing since for probably 4 hours straight. I finally got to a creek that's producing. I've seen lots of big fish today, but nothing ever bit. I've had big browns chase. Oh, there's one. I got hammered it. It's a nice little brown. No net today, so. Oh, he's got some good color. Two fish. Oh, something else hit it. Oh, there we go. Here's a fish. Man, acrobat. It's a little rainbow. Nice little trout. Here's a trout. It's a rainbow. No, it's a brook trout. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That's a beauty. That is an absolute beauty. Well, as y'all probably saw, I caught a brook trout and I didn't have my net. Crucial error. So I'm just letting the fish chill there. I'm gonna get a picture with my phone because I caught it with one of my lures. And next thing I know, I look down and fish is gone, lure's gone. I tied a bad knot apparently. I've been doing this chronic issue of tying bad knots recently. So, it's kind of bummed. So there's a brook trout, 10, 13-inch brook trout, 10, something in that range, with a lure in its mouth. And brookies in this area, they're kind of rare, so I kind of feel bad. I hope it doesn't die, but oh well, what can you do? Just onward. There we go. Here's a fish. It's a decent one. What do we got? Oh boy. What do we got? It's another brook trout. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's a beauty. It's an absolute beauty. Oh my goodness. That's a nice one. That's a beautiful brook trout. Not as beautiful as the earlier one, but still something. Oh, another one. No way. That's nuts. What do we got here? Oh my goodness. It's another brookie. They're just chilling underneath the bridge. That is crazy. That's my third brook trout of the day. Oh my gosh. Look at that guy. Stunning. It's as good as it gets for brookies in Michigan. Wow. Oh my gosh. Two right in a row.